All right, guys, so I'm going to explain kind of what our writing is going to look like this week. It'll be really helpful if you still have your example that I sent home with you. So the blue, well, it wasn't blue on yours, but the one about Layton, I have it written in blue, but this example right here, we're going to be doing another one of these, but we're going to be doing it about a grandparent, so a grandma or a grandpa. And I'm going to have you pick one. So you're going to write about one grandparent. And you're going to, tomorrow, you're going to come up with a topic sentence and one detail. And you're going to write them on this blank burger paragraph page. And so your topic sentence, remember, it can be a question or it can be a statement. So it can say, do you want to learn about my grandparent? Or do you want to learn about my grandma or my grandpa? Or maybe you have a nickname for them. I call my grandma and grandpa Nana and Papa. So I would say, do you want to learn about my Nana? Or you could say, I am going to tell you about my Nana. So you can do either one of those. And then you're going to do one detail. And you need to make sure you have a transition word. And those, if you don't remember what they are, they'll be on one of your old schedules. It was that... the red, blue, green, and orange construction paper signs that have like the grill with the hot dogs on it. Those are your transition words. And you'll need one detail, and this is a complete sentence. And you could say, first, I love visiting my Nana because she always cooks the best food. So that would be a detail. And we're going to publish these. So last week, all we did was do our little sloppy copy or our rough draft, and then we edited them with a fancy colored pen or marker, whatever you used. But this time we're going to then publish it, and that's on that other piece of paper you got that said grandparents at the top, I believe. And then there will be a craft about your grandma or grandpa, whichever one you chose. So if you chose to write about your grandma, you're going to draw your grandma. And if you were writing about your grandpa, you're going to draw your grandpa. So if you wrote about a grandma, don't make a grandpa. Make it so it matches. And that is all you're doing for writing tomorrow. Topic sentence and a detail. It would be probably helpful if you brainstorm some different things that you like about your grandparent. So kind of like what we did with the interview, how you got a lot of information about that person that you interviewed, and it gave you a lot of facts that you can use where you just picked 3 and it made it way easier to think of things. So if you want to list all the different reasons you love that grandparent or the reason you chose that grandparent, that would be super helpful. So topic, one detail. That's it. That's all you have to do for writing. And we'll finish the rest of it later this week. So that is all you've got. Keep up the good work, guys. I love seeing your writing. Last time they were awesome. And I'm really excited. So remember, just pick one grandparent. It gets a little bit confusing when you are writing about multiple. So just one. Your grandmas and grandpas will not be upset if you did not pick them, I promise. And that's it. So get to work, and I will see you on the next one. Later, guys.